What's the meaning of began? Began. Began.
Began. Began. The word began is the past tense of the verb begin, which means to start or initiate something. When used in a sentence, began indicates that an action or process has started in the past and is now ongoing or completed. It is a common verb used in various contexts such as storytelling, describing historical events, or discussing personal experiences. For instance, she began writing her novel last year and finished it recently shows that the process of writing a novel started in the past and has since been completed. Overall, began is a simple yet essential verb in the English language that signifies the start of something.